As we gear up to celebrate the 78th Independence Day on August 15, it's important to remember the pivotal role Bombay played in India's struggle for freedom. Let's know what significant role Bombay played in India's freedom movement. Year 1857 to 1858, the First War of Indian Independence. The Indian Rebellion of 1857 or Sepoy Mutiny failed but led to the end of East India Company rule and the start of the direct British governance, sparking organized efforts for Indian independence. The Bombay Connect. Tatya Tope and Nana Sahib Peshwa of Maratha Empire led the Pan-India war against British with their army. Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi was born and brought up in the Maratha Sardar's house and was married to the royals of Jhansi. Year 1885. The formation of Indian National Congress. Founded on December 28, 1885, the Indian National Congress was pivotal in India's freedom struggle led by Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. Bombay Connect. The first meeting for the foundation of the Indian National Congress was held in Bombay and was supported by Bombay barristers, advocates and prominent businessmen in the city. Year 1905, the partition of the Bengal. On July 16, 1905, Lord Curzon announced the partition of Bengal to separate Hindus and Muslims, but the decision was reversed in 1911 due to widespread protests. The Bombay Connect. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, a prominent leader of the Indian National Congress, fully supported the protest along with Bipin Chandra Pal, the luminary from Bengal. Lal, Bal and Pal ensured the national sentiment was one of the issues of the Bengal partition. Year 1915. Gandhi's return to India. Mahatma Gandhi returned to India from South Africa on January 9, 1915 and quickly became a pivotal leader in the freedom struggle, championing non-violent resistance as a central strategy. The Bombay Connect. When Gandhi came to India from Africa, he was given a royal welcome by the local Congress leaders. It was Gopal Krishna Gokhale who suggested Gandhiji to embark on a nationwide tour to understand the country and its people. Year 1920 to 1922, the Non-Cooperation Movement. Mahatma Gandhi's non-cooperation movement sought to resist British rule through non-violence and boycotts, significantly advancing the independence cause despite its limited success. The Bombay Connect. Protests against British goods were most prominent in Bombay. Police had to resort to firing to quell them, and it was in one of these incidents that Babu Genu, a mill worker, lost his life while protesting. A chalk is named after him in Mumbai's Kalba Devi. 1930 to 1934. Civil Disobedience Movement. Mahatma Gandhi's civil disobedience movement defied British laws, highlighted by the Salt March from Sabarmati to Dandi as a peaceful protest. The Bombay Connect. Vinoba Bhave, a prominent Gandhian leader, was an important part of the Salt March. He later went on to lead Bhudan movement. Year 1942. The Quit India Movement. Gandhi's Quit India movement of 1942 demanded an end to British rule, resulting in the swift imprisonment of Congress leaders. The Bombay Connect. The call for the British to quit India was given at a meeting at Govalia Tank Maidan, now known as August Kranti Maidan, on August 9, 1942. Year 1947. Indian Independence Act. The Indian Independence Act of 1947 was an act passed by the British Parliament to end British rule in India. It also led to the partition of India into two separate countries, India and Pakistan, on August 15, 1947.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.